This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about paper bags, specifically these bag tech paper bags that are great for packing up a variety of snacks and treats. They are 5 inches by 7 inches, and they come in 4 different colors. We have our newsprint here, which is always a fun, festive option, craft, white, and black. They have a lovely and handy grease-proof lining, making these deli bags a great option for anybody, whether you're a vendor or at home, that needs to pack up a variety of foods. Now, these are great size for pastries, so think croissants, danishes, donuts, pretzels, whatever. And that grease-proof lining is going to keep your customers' hands clean. But they're also going to be great for things like food trucks, food stall vendors, etc., where you might be packing up oily or hot foods and need to do things like a side of French fries or something else really quick, maybe a small hot sandwich or something of that nature. And these are a fun, versatile size that comes in a bunch of color options, meaning that they're great for all types of snacks. So whether you're packing up donuts and danishes or fries and pretzels, croissants, or onion rings, these are a great option. They're made of recyclable and biodegradable paper, which means cleanup is just as easy as packing up your treats. They can just be tossed. These bags are even microwave safe up to 2 minutes, meaning that your customers can easily reheat items without taking them out of the bag. But also, if you've got items pre-packed that need to be heated up for customers at service, you can kind of pre-pack those items up and easily heat them in the microwave so that they're ready to go hot into your customers' hands. So they're going to be great for things especially like breakfast pastries, making these a fantastic option for bakeries, cafes, restaurants, food trucks, and food stall vendors alike. They come in these great 4 color options and are a fantastic and versatile size.